Question 24 is about vectors. It's a very difficult vector question. We are asked to show that AB is parallel to AM. Simply means that this line here from AB is parallel to this part here. So let's read the rest of the question. Triangle, obvious, but M is the midpoint and N is the midpoint. And we're told that O to M is this vector M, which we normally write with a squiggle because we can't write in bold. So this isn't too bad. To prove that these are parallel, we have to prove that they are the same vector. They are heading in the same direction, but clearly they're going to have a different size, which we call magnitude. So if we can prove they have the same vector but a different magnitude, we are proving that they are parallel. A little bit like gradients of straight line graphs. If they have the same gradient, they are parallel. So if that's an M, I know that this bit is an M because this is halfway. So if I just move that line up, it's exactly the same size, which means that this bit is also an N. So we can write a vector to get from A to B. So from A to B, there is no direction here, there's no vector here, so we can't use it. But we can get there from going down to O, which is A to O, and then from O to B. And we would get from A to B, just the longest way possible. A to O, you can see here there are two M's, but we're going against it. So what we say, that is negative 2M, but this time we are going in the direction of the arrows, so we're going with it, so it's a positive 2N. There we have it. Just got yourself at least one mark. Now we've got to do the same for M to N. So M to N is M to O plus O to N. Against the arrow, so it's a minus an M plus an N. Please don't forget your squiggles. Now if you look at those, you should be able to see that that doubled is that. So the easiest way to write it is saying A to B is double that. Or you could do this, you could say, if we take a 2 outside, factorising, so we're showing the same vector here, but it's double. So A to B is double M to N, and therefore, sorry, just the way you couldn't see that then, so do apologise, and therefore parallel. I'll just go over that because you couldn't see it. So all I did is I said, well, that is double that, so I can take a 2 out to represent it. Because it is double, so I can say A to B, this one, is double this one, so that means they're parallel. They have the same vector, but a different magnitude.